Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you Mac based policy creation and how to allow a specific user with the Mac address and how to allow the group of users with the Mac address, allowing what the internet. So we will see here, for example, I will show you this is my local area network and you can see here this is MAC address. I already configured the IP address to the PC and I took the MAC address. You can take the MAC address, for example, go to CMD and this one is PC1 and from here IP config backslash all. Once you enter, you can see here physical address. This is my MAC address. I already copy here and also I set the IP address for the PC and gateway is 10.1 for the local area network. You can see here this is my local area network. So also you can see for the PC2 show IP, I already set the IP address for the PCs and also gateway and also the MAC address. You can see here this is my MAC address for the PC2. So also PC3, PC4, PC5 I already take the MAC address and to understand clearly. So what we will do, you can see here internally I can ping 192.168. For example 10. I will ping to the 6 IP PC5, so 6, enter. You can see internally the PCs are pinging very perfectly. From PC2 I ping to PC5, so I will ping again to the PC number 2. You can see here PC number 2 is pinging properly, and if I ping from the PC2 to internet 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see here there is no internet connectivity for the PC2. Today I am going to show you also this one, the PC2, PC3 I will not allow any policy to get the internet because internally there is network for internal communication, but I will not allow anything to these PCs. It will block completely for the internet access, but I will allow for this PC for the internet access, and also I will make this PC4 PC5 as a group and I will allow internet access. So for the PC you can go to here and check the ping 8.8.8. You can see here there is no ping, so it is not pinging to the internet, so there is no policy created on the FortiGate firewall. So we will create the policy on firewall. Also if you want to see, I will show you PC4, this one PC4. So I will try to ping 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see here there is no ping to the internet. So dear, if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates so you will not miss any classes. So please share with your friends as well and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So okay, we will go to the FortiGate firewall and login admin. And also you can see here I already configured the interfaces. DMZ, it is port 3, and LAN port 2. This is LAN network, local area network, LAN port number 2, and also my port number 1 is ISP gateway. You can see port number 1, WAN wide area network, WAN port number 1. So also DNS configured properly, and also static routes. The gateway is provided here for the wide area network, port 1. Policy objects, firewall policies, and create new. I will allow PC1 to internet PC1. Incoming will be port 2 and outgoing will be port 1. Why? Because this port 2 is incoming and port 1 is outgoing. Source, click source, create address. You can see here PC1 allow or PC1 internet. Okay, and here I'm changing the type to MAC address. You can see here. Now I will take this one, this, and take copy and enter here. You can see here the MAC address, but you must enter this one. By mistakenly I just copy and paste here, so it was showing to me, so I just take the copy. So we must enter like this, and now it is added here. We can just click OK. PC1 is source, just source PC1 internet, and also destination. I will select all services. If you want to allow any service you can allow, but I will allow all, and just click OK. You can see here PC1 policy is created. You can see here, I will show you. Once you go to the PC, ping 8.8.8.8, sorry, ping 8. Enter ping 8.8.8, enter. You can see here the internet is pinging properly. There is no any interruptions. Why? Because we allow the internet through MAC address to the specified PC only. We did not allow PC4, PC5 to MAC address, so it will not ping to the internet. So we will allow here, create new policy and group 1 internet, and in incoming interface will be LAN port 2 and outgoing will be WAN port 1, and source will add here, create address group, and then we will enter here group 1. This is group 1 actually. So again what we will do here, members, here we have to add the members. So add here, create address PC 1 2 3 4 PC4. You can see here PC4, and the MAC address this one. So just copy this one and go to the type of the connectivity, device MAC address, and enter the MAC address here. Just click OK, and again create address PC5 subnet should be device MAC address, and take the MAC address of this PC. Sorry, let's refresh once again. Okay, I will copy here. Code is 507966 50796668 6807. Okay, this one 6807, you can see here 6807. Now I will just click OK. You can see here PC4 PC5. We will add here PC4 PC5 to the members and click OK. Now source what? The group 1, the PC4 PC5. It is through MAC address, so just click group 1 selected. You can see here edit this PC5 through MAC address. You can see here it is showing the MAC address only, PC5 as well. So just go back, group 1, and destination I will set all. Destination I will set all, and services I will keep as well all, and close. And now you can see here, click OK, and the group 1 internet policy is created. Here in this group you can edit, you can see this one is group 1, so PC4 PC5. So okay, now what we will do, it is already enabled. Now we will go to the topology and we will check the PC4 and 5. Just ping 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see there is ping, and also PC5 will try to connect to the internet, ping 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see there is ping. And also if you go to these two PCs, it will not ping to the internet. For example, PC3 ping 8.8.8.8. see, you can see here the PC3 is not pinging. Why? Because we did not give any policy, and we did not allow any services on these PCs, so that's why these two PCs are not connecting to internet. But this PC1, and it is we configured policy for this one, and PC4 PC5 we make one group and we created the policy on the firewall, so the internet is working fine without any interruption. But this one completely MAC based policy configuration. So I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.